These are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with the ear tip, and some people are having issues putting the foam tips on the Galaxy. And you must have the whole ear tip from the previous silicone ear tip completely off. Now, it might look like this without this piece because it ripped off. No, you have to remove the inner plastic part. It has to look like this with the nubs showing right there, and obviously this black speaker. That is what you need to have. You need to remove the old piece and have this exposed. Then you can put the outer ear tips on, line them up, make sure the nubs, holes or grooves are lined up and down, and it just fits right in. That's it. Again, people who have issues, that means the old silicone tip is still on. And it might be hard to remove this because this part is not here anymore. So you might have to get something sharp or a tweezer to get underneath and pop this up. Okay? All right, guys. I hope that clears it up. And if you have any questions, let us know.